Dear students, good morning. Today I am going to start the new lesson, Princess September of Supplementary Reader. First of all, I want to tell you about this lesson introduction. What is in this story? In this story, I want to tell you here about the love and bond of humans and birds. Freedom is the basic right of every individual. No one should take it away for his own greed. Doing good always pays back in the manifold. The princess was a good human being. Her essential goodness was reflected in her behavior with the bird. She believed in live and let life. In contrast to her, her sisters did evil and received the evil fate in return. The king and queen of Siam, now in Thailand, and their 9 daughters. Queen finds it very confusing with the names of them. So after that, the king decided to call them by the names of the month. The youngest one was named September. The youngest one was named September. The king's gifts. The king had a peculiar habit of getting others on his birthday. One year he gifted his daughter each with a green parrot in a golden cage. They were happy in spending with the parrots who can sing. God save the king and Pretty Polly in 7 languages. Here in this story, the king and queen of Siam had many daughters. In order to avoid confusion, the king called the princess by the name of the month, like January, February, March, etc. The last daughter was named September. The king Siam had a peculiar habit instead of accepting birthday gifts. He always used he always used to give everyone gifts. One year, what happened? One year on his birthday, he gave each one of the princes a green parrot in a golden cage. The princess taught the bird to say, God save the king. Some of the parrots would say, Pretty Polly in 7 Oriental languages. One day, Princess September found her parrot lying dead. She started weeping. The queen called her crying nonsense and put her to bed without any supper. Princess September was woken up by the song of a little bird. He, bird, flew into her room and sang beautifully. Children, I want to tell you, the bird always came into her room and sang a song beautifully. Princess September forgot crying. She agreed to have it in place of her dead parrot. When the princess awoke the next day, what did the princess find there? The little songbird was still there, and he said good morning. He ate rice out of her hand. Everybody was surprised to see that Princess September decided to show her bird to her 8 sisters. For each of them, the bird sang a different song. The parrots could only say, the parrots always used to say, God save the king. The king and the queen were also surprised and delighted to hear the bird's song. The king had got tired of hearing those parrots say, Pretty Polly. It means the king was annoyed after hearing the song. This word, Pretty Polly. All the 8 princes were worried. The parrots also looked sad. Only Princess September ran in the palace singing like a lark. The jealous sisters took a nasty decision. What did the jealous sisters take the decision? The decision was Next decision. They pointed out to their youngest sister that she should put her bird into a cage, lest he should fly away for good. The little bird came late that evening. One day, what happened? One day, the little bird came late that evening. September's worries was about his safety from hawks and the hunter's trap. September was worried about his safety and security because he Princess September does not want to see any type of damage. So as he came, she pushed him into a cage and shut the door. The bird was taken aback. Children, you should know the meaning of taken aback. Surprised. He hoped that he would be set free in the morning. But he cried in vain for liberty. Do you know the meaning of in vain? Useless. As a result, he lost his singing talent. One day, he lost his singing talent. It means he forgot his singing. He refused to eat anything. He did not eat anything that day. Next day, what happened? The next day, September found the bird lying with his eyes closed. He looked as if he were dead. Seeing his condition, she agreed to let him leave the golden cage. She decided to live in the golden cage, and the bird promised to return to her every day. The bird promised to return to her every day and sing to her. It means the bird assured her that I will come to sing a song every day. Her sisters made fun of her. They said he would never return. Their sisters also asked her he would never return, but he did at last. And he sat on September's shoulder and ate out of his hand and sang her the beautiful song he had learned. September kept her window open all the day and night for the bird to fly in and out. Fresh air from the open window made the princess extremely beautiful. She was married to the king of Cambodia, but her sister, who kept the windows shut, grew ugly as well as unpleasant. So they were married away with the king's minister. Children, in this way, I hope that you have understood this lesson. And next, here about this paragraph, I will discuss with you in next video with word meaning and explanation by paragraph wise. Thank you very much.